Welcome to the course on computer programming. In this video, we will be discussing about finding the largest number in an array. So consider an array A of 5 numbers 3, 2, 6, 5 and 4. So the first number in the array A of 0 is 3, second number A of 1 is 2, third number A of 2 is 6, fourth number A of 3 is 5 and fifth number A of 4 is 4. In order to find out the largest number in this particular array, what we will do is, first we will assume that the first number in the array is the largest. So we will assume the largest number in the array is the first element of the array, which is equal to 3. In the next step, what will we do? We will compare this largest with all the other elements in the array using your relational operator greater than symbol. If any other element is larger than this particular largest number, then you will replace this largest number with that particular number. So we will see how it is done in detail. So let us assume that the largest number is A of 0, which is equal to 3. Now what we will do? We will compare this 3 and the next element in the array. So we will compare whether A of 1 is greater than largest. So what is A of 1? A of 1 is 2. You will check whether 2 is greater than 3. It is not greater. So you will not do anything. You will move to the next element in the array, which is A of 2. So you will check whether A of 2 is greater than largest. What is A of 2? A of 2 is 6. We will check whether 6 is greater than 3. Yes, it is greater than 3. Since it is greater than 3, what you will have to do? You will have to replace largest with the current value. Okay, largest with the current array value, which is A of 2, which is equal to 6. Now what we will do? Now we will compare this largest with the next element in the array, which is A of 3. You will check whether A of 3 is greater than largest. Now what is the value of largest? It is 6. What is the value of A of 3? 5. We will check whether 5 is greater than 6. It is not. So we will move on to the next element in the array, which is A of 4. You check whether A of 4 is greater than largest. So what is A of 4? 4. 4 is greater than largest. Largest, which is 6. No. Okay. Now we have 4 here. Now we have checked with all the elements in the array, right? We compared the largest with all the elements in the array. We compared largest with A of 1, largest with A of 2, largest with A of 3, largest with A of 4. So we have compared the largest with all the elements in the array. Okay. So we have reached the end of the array. So whatever value we currently have in largest is the largest element in the array. So what is the largest element in the array? Largest element in the array is 6. Okay. So this is how we will find out the largest element in the array. So if we look here, you can see that this variable or this array indexing is actually the one that changes. Okay, so that thing you can give this, for this index you can give a variable. Instead of constant values, you can give variables for array indexing. So how will our terms change? Our terms will become if, or our statements will become if A of I is greater than largest. If it is true, what we'll have to do? Where is the true case? This is the true case. If A of I is greater than largest, what you have to do? You will have to replace largest with the current value, right? If a of 2 is greater than largest, then largest is equal to a of 2. So if a of I is greater than largest, you will replace largest with a of I. And what is the other thing that you have to do? If this is true or false, you will have to increment the value of I. Okay. And one more thing you have to do. You have to initialize I is equal to, where does I start? I starts at 1 instead of 0 here, because you are comparing the first element with all the other elements in the first step, right? So you will start with I is equal to 1 instead of I is equal to 0. You can start with I is equal to 0 also. The result will be the same. You will get largest is equal to 6, but you will get an additional comparison of checking whether a of 0 is greater than a of 0, which is actually unnecessary. Okay. So if you start with I is equal to 0, that is also fine, but you will have an additional statement execution. That is all. Okay. So this is our statement. So these statements, how many times we have to repeat? These statements we have to repeat for all the elements in the array. That means you will have to repeat till I is less than n. Okay. So that is our algorithm. So how will we write our algorithm? Start. Second step, read the size of the array and the elements of the array A. Then set largest is equal to A of 0 and I is equal to 1. Fourth step, repeat until I less than n. Okay, what is the step? 4.1 is if A of I greater than largest, then largest is equal to A of I, and if condition is satisfied or not, you will have to increase I is equal to I plus 1. So you will repeat 4.1 and 4.2 until I less than n, and once you exit from the loop, you will print the largest number and stop. So this is our algorithm. We will repeat this algorithm once again here, one by one. So initially I is set to 1, largest is set to A of 0, which is equal to 3. And what you are going to do at I is equal to 1, you are comparing what? The value of A of 1 is what? A of 1 is 2, and your comparison is largest So we will work out this algorithm once again. So initially I is set to 1, largest is set to A of 0, which is equal to 3. What is the statement that we are checking? Checking whether A of I is greater than largest. Okay. So at I is equal to 1, A of 1 is equal to 2, largest is 3 currently. You are going to check whether 2 is greater than 3. Okay, it is not greater than 3. So you will increment I is equal to I plus 1. You won't do anything else. So I is equal to I plus 1. The value of I will become equal to 2. And you have A of 2, which is equal to 6. You will check whether 6 is greater than 3. Yes. So you will set what? You will set largest is equal to 6 and I is equal to I plus 1. So the value of I will become equal to 3, and you will check whether you will get A of 3 is equal to 5. You will check whether 5 is greater than 6. 6 is currently the largest. It is no. So you will increment I is equal to I plus 1, and value of I will become equal to 4. A of 4, which is equal to 4. You will check whether 4 is greater than 6. It is no. So you will increment I is equal to I plus 1. Value of I will become equal to 5. Here you are checking whether the value of I is less than n. Okay. So value of 5, I is 5 and n is 5. Okay. So no. So the condition is not satisfied. You will exit from the loop. Currently, what is the value of largest? Largest is equal to 6 will be printed. This is how you find out the largest number in an array. Thank you.